I forgot to mention, take some of this. Put a nice thin layer on here. So get that going. If you guys don't know, I'm wearing a GoPro chest mount with a GoPro camera. So yeah, in the beginning I was using the phone, but I didn't want to hold it and, you know, do all that. So I decided to get a GoPro, and actually pretty cool though. Start playing basketball with it, running with it. Yeah, that's my first GoPro Hero 12. I'm trying to brag. Alright, so again, take the lube it up right here too, the inside. Lube it up right here on the inside. Again, I know I did earlier, but alright, let's get it in here. Okay, you can see it is. Everything's torqued in. Oil pump is torqued, 9 foot-pounds. Alright. Uh-oh, don't mess with me now. Don't mess with me now. Don't have me spooked. That's why. Dowel pins. Probably should have lubed those too. Okay. Alright guys, got to kneel down here. So right here, I have the 6 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts and 1 nut. These are going to be the fasteners for the front cover. So the 2 long ones right here, the 45 millimeter. Well, I think it's. Let me double check on that. Yeah, they're 45. So yeah, the 45. They go down here. The 2 long ones. So these are going to be 12. It's funny, the rest are 12, but only one of them is 14. So you've got the 14 big one that goes right here. I know for a second I started tripping. Like machinists, they put all the bolts, studs in one bag, and I was kind of lightweight, kind of spooked, thinking they had forgotten some. 2 12s go right over here. And 12. This 112 goes over here. And the nut, very bottom stud right over here. Press that in. And just hand tight these. Alright, so once again, 12, 14, 12, 12 millimeter nut, 2 12s right down here, and these are the fasteners that hold down the front cover right here. This one, these two, I put the gasket here so I wouldn't get confused. These are for the water pump, and I got those bolts later on. So, alright guys, I'm gonna torque these down to spec. Give me 1 second, guys. This battery's kind of low. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna torque this down. This is 20. This one's gonna be 29 foot-pounds right over here. Oh shoot! Gotta start up right over here. Wait for that click. Whew. Had me spooked for a little bit. All right, and then the next one will be 14 foot-pounds. All right. I don't have a torque wrench that goes under 20. 14 foot-pounds. These are 12 millimeters. Use that digital torque wrench. So I'm gonna kind of do it like a star pattern. So we'll start off right here. We'll start off at the very end. Let's get that snug first. I'll tie these down. Right. Alright. Mass F14. We'll start right here. This will be the next 14. This torque wrench is kind of special right here, because you got to do it once. All right, that's 14. All right, you kind of gotta let go. Just this camera, man. Alright, next one is going to be this one right here. Alright, let me see here. That's 14. The last one right here. I'll go right here, I'll go this way. Nope, not yet. Alright, that's it. It is torque. Now it's time for the water pump.